Here's an inside view of my 1975 or 1976 Jauch Chime box walk. This video was requested by The Way 2009. If you want to do video quests, comment down below. Anyways, let's get started. Here's a view with it closed. Alright, now I'm gonna open it. And here's the movement to this clock. Here's a Jauch movement. As said from 1975 or 1976. Up here you have a Chime Swectal, which I think I set to Wes's store. But I'll set it back to Wellington. Here's a escapement, if you can barely see. Here's the best I can. Here's a side view of it. The handles. And this is how it looks. Anyways, I'm going to now chime it. I think it's set to Wellington. You can see how it looks. For some unknown reason, I don't know why it chimes very slowly. Like compared to my old Jauch chime, which is right here, plays a little faster than the one I'm showing. And now it's trying to owl. I might have to close the door after the melody because the owl strike is really loud. And I'll do it again on St. Michael's and Wes's door. And that's all I wanted to show you. Here's a dial. I think on the early 1970s models, it has no branding on a dial. And in the mid 70s, they started adding that. Here's parts that I took off. Get my hands on it. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.